Hi guys, I am back with a gel polish mani. So I do have on Hollow Taco Pilly Base on top of my builder gel, and the gel polish that I'm finally going to be using is gel polish from Revel Nail. This color is Tiara. They have the same color in dip powder, which I do have. Now I bought this gel polish a while ago, and I mean probably almost a year ago, so it's just been sitting. And so I shook it up, and y'all, it was so freaking runny. It was so ready. Like, it was just running all over the place. And I was like, number one, I don't like the consistency. That's number one. So I ended up wiping it off. So I did my pointer finger and my middle finger. And I tried to use my nail cleanup brush. Got glitter all in my brush. I was mad because that's like my pretty brush. And so you can see here, it's running into the side walls of my index finger. And look at all that glitter. Look, just somebody gonna tell me something. Somebody gonna tell me something. These are not HEMA free gels. You don't want to use your finger to clean that up. And so what I end up doing is just wiping it all off, using alcohol, wiping it all off, and reapplying my peel off base coat, letting that dry, and then going back in. Wasn't too happy. Look at all that glitter. Look, just so frustrating. But anyway. So we're gonna try this again. Look at all that glitter on my brush. Look at the mess on the table. Look at the mess. So this time I said, let me shake the glitter up. I was able to get more on the brush. I tried to put a thin layer on my nail, and I call it the color Tiara. It might be Tiara, you know, like a crown. Look, knocked the bottle over, Jesus. And so I'm gonna cure that. So I put that first coat on, I cured that, and then I forgot to shake the bottle back up. And so I'm applying a second coat to my thumbnail. And because these polishes are running, I think it's best to do like a flash cure so that it doesn't run once you get the polish in place, and then flash cure. And that's what I end up doing for each of my nails. And so here I'm putting on a third coat of Tiara, which is a nice glitter. That's the thing. Like, I love the in dip powder because I have it in dip powder, and I was like, well, it shouldn't be. It should be easier with gel polish. It took 3 coats. It's very pretty. And so I then go in with the color Serena. No, actually, no, that's still Tiara. So I tried it again, like on my ring finger. I'm thinking like, okay, I got my thumb straight, I'm gonna do my ring finger. Nope. I end up wiping that off on my ring finger because it didn't do what I wanted to do. Put on more peel base, and I just end up putting it on my pinky off camera, and it looks different because I end up putting 3 coats on my pinky, but it doesn't have the opacity that my thumb has. And so I was going to go in with the color Mambo, and I didn't like that, so I only have 3 of these. And so I'm shaking Serena up, which was a nice vibrant pink. Now this one applied fairly decent. I'm trying to get as much of that off my brush. Nice vibrant pink. I do like it. And so I put that on, cleaning up any excess, and then I'm going to flash cure for a few seconds just to lock that in. And so I'm going to repeat that on my middle finger and my ring finger, flash curing, and then I will go in for and apply a second coat. And I forgot to mention, in between each coat, after I finish flash curing, I do a full 60-second cure. So after I flash cure the nail, I'll go in and do a full 60-second cure on my whole hand before I go in with the second coat. So these are a 60-second cure in my LED lamp. So you can see with the color Serena, it had a nice, pigmentation pretty much. I mean, you get better opacity with the second coat. And again, I'm flash curing. We'll do my middle finger, flash cure, do my ring finger, flash cure, and then cure my entire hand for a full 60 seconds. And again, I hate it because I just ordered some more. gel polishes before I even tried to use these. So that's what I get, you know. Test your stuff out before you order more, because you might not like it. You know, will I use them again? I don't know. I don't know. I definitely probably won't use that glitter again, not unless it's in the dip powder form, because it was just much easier to work with when you're dealing with dip powder. So after I finished a full 60-second cure, I'm going in with Glass Shield top coat and applying that. Again, that was runny as well. It wasn't as runny as the color, but it was runny. And so once I apply that, I'm going to do a 60-second cure in my LED lamp, and I think I end up doing flash cures in between each nail, and then a full 60-second cure of my in the LED lamp. And so that does have a tacky layer or an inhibition layer after curing, and so I go in with a lint-free wipe and alcohol, and they shine right up, has a nice shine on with the top coat. So here's where I'm wiping my nails down with the lint-free wipe and alcohol. Again, once you know, once I got that inhibition layer off, they shined up really nice, throwing away all that trash. And then I'm going to go in and apply Revel's cuticle oil, and I think this cuticle oil came with my order, like it was free with my order. This is peach mango. Nice cuticle oil, no complaints there. I couldn't open it. So again, keep your rubber band nearby to get a grip on these bottles, especially if your hands are kind of greasy and got stuff going on. And one more thing before I go, guys, like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. It is free. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you have a great week. And these gel polishes had a strong smell. They were strong. I didn't like the smell of them, but y'all can't beat that shine. So I will see you guys next week. Have a wonderful week. Thanks for watching.